Hi everyone, welcome to my A-level biology lecture series. In this lesson, we will explore a general overview of aerobic respiration. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to state which of the 4 stages in aerobic respiration occur in eukaryotic cells. Glycolysis in cytoplasm, link reaction in the mitochondrial matrix, Krebs cycle in the mitochondrial matrix, as well as oxidative phosphorylations on the inner membranes of mitochondria. Let's get started. Aerobic respiration is a metabolic process in which organic molecules act as a fuel to release chemical potential energy under the presence of oxygen. So these organic molecules are broken down in a series of stages, releasing energy. So this released energy is captured and is used to synthesize ATP. So the main respiratory substrate for most cells is carbohydrate. Typically, we use glucose as our main respiratory substrate. So some cells use only glucose, but other cells may break down fatty acid, glycerol, amino acid as alternative respiratory substrate. So the breakdown of glucose during aerobic respiration occurs in 4 key stages, which are glycolysis, link reaction, Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. So this diagram summarizes the 4 stages of aerobic respiration and where these reactions actually take place. First of all, glycolysis. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of a cell where glucose molecule is oxidized into pyruvate in a series of reactions. So in this series of reactions, ATP is synthesized through substrate-link phosphorylation, as well as reduced NAD is produced. So with the in the presence of oxygen, pyruvate enters into the mitochondrial matrix and undergoes link reaction. During the process of link reaction, pyruvate is converted into acetyl coenzyme A, and again, reduced NAD is produced. So acetyl CoA enter into the next stage, which is known as a Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix as well. So in the series of reactions, ATP are produced through substrate-link phosphorylation again, and also reduced NAD and reduced FAD are produced. So this reduced NAD and reduced FAD will be used during oxidative phosphorylation, where it involves electron transportation as well as chemiosmosis to produce ATP, but not through substrate-link phosphorylation. Instead of substrate-link phosphorylation, ATP are produced through oxidative phosphorylation. So this diagram summarizes the entire aerobic respiration. Do not worry at this moment, as those are quite new context for you guys. So we are going to learn glycolysis, link reactions, Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation in detail in the next lesson. So for us, we need to specify the precise location where these these stages of aerobic respiration occur. For glycolysis, glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. Link reaction and Krebs cycle occur in mitochondrial matrix. Oxidative phosphorylation occurs at the inner mitochondrial membrane, specifically at the cristae. So the general equation aerobic respiration, we have glucose, C6H12O6. Oxidation takes place with 6 molecules of O2. So we'll be able to get 6 molecules of CO2, 6 molecule water molecule, and an average of 32 ATP can be produced by oxidizing a molecule of glucose. So with that, we have come to the end of this short lesson. I hope you have found this lecture series helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section. See you in the next lesson. Have a great day.